But good afternoon.
Afternoon, I will go
Bad way, you have them here. And that's all we know.
we pew, fitting a power pie or Murphy.
What pea? Oh, we'll be the fun in Uncle Baby.
No, if you.
Oh,
See what?
You think I'm here in a pound.
Come on, baby.
Come in a coshad. But I might say when you want the any Mr. Quine, it's a mail late. Actually, why?
Would have brought on my. That's not
Come
when the master me to win, you did pass and catch you. We will try a kid, mammy. Okay, aim in your to have a lender. I don't know what is wrong with her at all. I don't know. I've been thinking about her issue and I can't just understand her.
How do you start?
Let me say, a brand taking think of free California bag Ghana. I was so open. Wow, Belinda said that on ye on Peniso. Na station or penal. Macaka Belinda for my dream, mammy.
Will be free brochure by sort of Belinda.
Oh,
and also one pen.
Also one penal. It's whether me assure so why not down from the bosom friend, dear. One the Ocasa or Betty. So won't see me and him so Betty. Mr. can be mammy. Into a Mario bone somewhere Belinda does within a cheese. It's my station assemble. Station, dear, may dream one of my car. No one who said that, but she is wrong. And Cassandra. Mamma was so big for a chip, papa, so the Belinda. Mean a crabby and Mephaso be a minion, say, or Betty, say, and Mephaso. What do you do? What do you don't worry? Don't worry. I say, as I cannot come in. Hey! What go with motor car? No, sir. Who do we know now? Sir, oh, don't worry. Minim de me ya fa. Minim de me ya fa. So we remember me aka smacha wa. My sister, Mate, in stroke cry. Why? Na meditate ase am edwindwin ho sa. Bi hu ne me nyam. Eh ya sampa o. Sister Ada Mate. In stroke cry, minim de me ya fa ho why? Bia be fine. So de me call baby na me kan. Okay. Mama me what? Mate, me da ase. Yo. Nyami station ya menini sister obeje di some sister pebo ye ni master boy betia asem sister hu ne tanfo na asema wo kan sa station na ne e dey na o de ma that small sister kan dey eno anu no e dey adamfo bone na me so makofa yi akofa be maria ne ho say yiwe hu ne like e dey pa na be ma o de be ma e dey na o de be ma so obi boy asem dey wo ye madam fu David besides me first car asem be true wanim say bia ma miska bi na dey da o be kan no David me boy asem dey dey na hey, obi am ne priority. Hwe. Me won kire mi o. Sorry me won kire me dey pen na me to. Dey me pen na me ye. Adenti. Belinda, asema sister e ka no. E be ye tie no. The station ofa nkosi da bia. Obi ka asem che we ye tie. Obi hu kire na like ontimi nye, entimi ntode opa na. Hwe me. Enti den na me pa me ntimi 20 abegina the pie a hwe me na pa ara obi show bi ana obi a otimi ba me ho beji 20 cedis koto aduane ansa na bia so no asema ka hwe me no 20 cedis na asem ne dem fa ma asem na ye ka ne ye unity asem na me ka no tie mu ate hwe station ofa nkosi da bia obi a wo sister akochia boga a o say wo ne ntena e dey na opa e bi kra na wo say wo do to kwan eh me sister akochia boga wo pa de ye akochia boga nti meme mom opeso de ma na bi no na wo tega na ha no ho to de meme ho nto me wo tu kwan ni bia wo mpe sister se bia bank me ko wo tu kwan e bia bank me ko e bia ba se ya mo sister ko share bia bank me ko ka me ko ene sem sister be di ntrache wo so ye konkon sani manefa boga ne ma ade asem na aka sa manefa boga ne ma eh na Belinda sa na hote David tie eh asem na me ka no wo sister ka no wo tie e be boa me nso me nua se si a boga ya to ka ma wana so wo ma ofie bi na wotimu a se eja me nso e se me guy no wa sha se wo ye ayima me o project ma me enti wo mpe e boa me ase be boa sa na nso boa we be boa me sa manefa boga ne ma na aboa me na se mini station ne ti ba na boga ne ma scanner se aboa ye nyina o na da koto nya me de nanim se you know ndem fa ho minti me yesa ne boy asem de e asem mo hwe na why manefa ne ma sa yeah wonya wo na abatimi na obi ntem Mr. na obekan na nkasa no so nanti ma no ade be chen so wonya bi edi medidi ade okay ade be chen mamenti ma de o hwe na be ha wa manefa na wo kwa obi a me no odi kwa wo kwa Belinda he Belinda
Nothing. Nothing.
Where?
Oh, there you are. Baby girl. Good afternoon. I hope you are fine.
Yeah, I'm doing good. And you?
Thank God I'm so good. Yeah. You know, I came here to look for you.
To look for me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So as I said the last time, that's the reason why I'm here. Okay. Yeah. I want us to go far.
Go far.
That is why I've come home, right? No, baby, I'm serious about whatever I said.
So, I'm listening.
I really like you, and I want you to be more than friends.
I told you that I'm dating. I have a fiancé.
You told me that.
For you coming here, I can get a problem. I don't like what you are doing. I don't want to like talk harsh, but what you're doing is not nice.
No, come on. I mean, you should try to understand me. I'm here for your own good.
That's the reason why we came here. You can leave.
Come on.
No. Maybe my guy is coming.
No, you can't.
Yo. Belinda. Belinda, me pacho want na say. Belinda. Nti wu so ho gina wa be man akonya atna na atan.
Belinda kasa wo so oba ho.
Oba why ho? This gentleman from America is here to visit you, and you are standing there shaking your body. Mommy, pie. Let's man in China. Just have a seat, darling. Baby boo.
She doesn't know what she is
missing. You don't know what you are missing, my dear. Can I say?
Iba dia wo ye mani nye ho adai e bi kwa na me guy iba obeka se me titi me mpasa ade ni no wo ha me
ye wo ko se so guy e baba yin fa o ba yin America, you are welcome. She's a very nice girl. She will like you. Hey, oh, come, sit here.
Sister, me sure you were ni ha ba.
Sit down. Yes, that's my sister. So you can talk to her. Talk.
Oh, okay.
Talk.
So, Belinda, as your sister is saying, I'm here for your own good. Yes. And for a purpose. Okay? Don't do this.
Which purpose? How many times do I have to tell you that I'm dating? I'm in a relationship. This time you teach me now. Day me when I'm quiet me ya. Day. What it me say? Day me impede your question. Me date. Me. Excuse me. I'm very sorry.
Coco is she's sick of Coco.
What's the meaning of Coco?
Coco is pals.
Okay, pals. Yeah.
Okay. Forgive her, man. I'll talk to her. She's going to be your wife. Trust me.
No.
Hey, my sister.
I understand her. I understand her. Don't worry.
Small.
I know small. Everything will be fine.
Yes, I beg you.
If I enter
no vessel.
Oh, no.
I beg.
I'm okay.
So I'll talk okay.
Okay, all right.
I beg you to go.
Yeah. Let me go get something.
You want to
let's go so that I give you something. Oh, I left him in the car. So.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
All right. Rest.
Okay. So let me explain.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Hey, okay, who's it?
They come to Kwame.
When ya?
Woman auntie.
Boy, so man, when you
Gift from her.
a brand see American boy no buy fee her. Oh no. And what brought gift?
Okay. That's it.
How that's it. Sign with your bread to me. Or the way so calm. So.
Okay. So there, let me inside, alright?
Eh? I'm why fat. My sweet. I saw. When the major was yeah. Why feed over?
Okay.
Now come on.
Okay.
When they are told,
Yeah, see me say I am a dead.
Matthew, say
I
Matthew.
you.
Study.
Boy. So yeah,
Yeah, so much.
and then